My name is Don Nye. Just a brief background. I've had gum disease since I was in my early teens. Had several dentists over the years. Finally one recommended me to Eastman's Dental Hospital in London, which I attended for 20 years and finally came to an end in 2006, which coincided with me moving to Somerset, where we had to find a new dentist, which was priority with my problems. I was recommended to Orchard Lane Dental Practice by a neighbour, and when I came down and finally registered, I was advised to see John Taylor, who was what I've termed as the best, or I was told was the best dental practitioner in the practice, and the owner, I believe, at that time. And he took over my care, which has been, well, absolutely super. As you can imagine, I've had numerous amounts of problem with gum disease. Finally, when I first came, I had a part denture, which was secured by a couple of teeth which were really bad and caused me lots and lots of problems, and they had to come out. The problem was that if they came out, I couldn't put my denture in, so John advised me to possibly have dental implants. He sent me to see a specialist in Lyme Regis, and he advised that I could have a whole series, I think it was 16 or 18 implants, but it was very invasive in as much as I had to have some nasal treatment, etc., etc. And I spoke to John, and between us we came up with a treatment plan which was less intrusive and that he could carry out. And I was much more confident with seeing John anyway. And finally, we decided between us on a plan, and John removed the two real problem teeth and done an awful lot of bridge work. My whole mouth now is a series of bridges, etc. This is maintained marvellously by Diana, the hygienist. And the whole service at Orchard Lane is really very joined up. From Diana, the hygienist, who is excellent, and I've seen a lot of hygienists in London, she really is good. If you notice the minor problem, which is very important to me personally, she passes that on to John, and between them they come up again with a treatment plan to keep it in check, which isn't very easy given the fact that my teeth are or my gums are very bad. But up to now, since 2006, John has taken great care of my teeth, stabilised them. I've got a brilliant smile now because I've got straight teeth instead of crooked ones. Well, I wouldn't say it's a great smile, but it's a smile. And I've enjoyed a pain-free 3 years since I had the bridge work done and had the bad teeth removed, which previously I hadn't gone more than 6 weeks without a real flare-up, abscesses, constantly on antibiotics, etc., etc. First time you walk through the door, the receptionist, Annette, who's normally on duty, is jovial. She puts you at your ease, we have a laugh and a joke. She even said she'd be sorry when I stopped coming. That won't ever happen, I don't think. But no, she's really good. And then if I've got an appointment with John, I go through, I see Steph, who's the dental nurse, who's regularly with John. We have a laugh and a chat. As you can imagine, I come down here quite often. So yeah, I'm so very pleased with the overall service. And the fact that you are put at ease, and with the amount of treatment I have done, in-depth cleaning, etc., etc., it really does help. I would certainly recommend Orchard Lane to other people. I've been coming here now 8 years. I can truly say, and this is honest, I've never had a better dentist than John. The hygienist is the best I've had, and as I said previously, I've been to London dental hospitals where I've seen some of the finest hygienists, and I genuinely mean, again, Diana is brilliant. So yes, I would really recommend anyone to Orchard Lane Dental Practice.